Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday and it's the day before my sorority formal. I'm getting really excited. I thought today that I would take you guys along and basically show you guys the full process of what it's like to go to a formal in college and how I get ready. I'm trying to be very, just good with my money, so we're getting our nails done, aka I'm doing them. This is my setup right now. We got the gel light, this is the base coat, this is our top coat, and then we got 6 colors. I'm gonna try to figure this out and follow the instructions, and hopefully I will have beautiful nails because I don't want to drop, $70 on a full set of nails. I don't know if I even need to follow the directions. My dress is gray, so I'm going to probably err on the pink side. This doesn't really show the color of the polish very well, so I'm kind of just guessing. Push back all the skin surrounding nail. It's probably fine. God, my nails are gross. I wonder if I should like cut them a little.
Fresh out of school, now you.
Oh boy. Okay, we're having some issues here with the pinky nail. I think I got too much. Oh my god, why is it drying that fast? I don't know how in the world I'm gonna do my other hand, but we'll figure it out. This is kind of fun. It like counts down and everything for you. I wonder if I should like put on like a TV show or something. Maybe I can educate myself with the little documentary series. This is something else. Apply base coat. Apply 1 thin coat of polish. Apply 2nd coat of polish. Apply top coat. Okay, so basically I'm doing a lot of coats. Let me just find myself a show. Uh-oh, someone's coming over. Katie got her nails done yesterday. She got white. Isn't that pretty?
2 days ago. And
2 days ago.
Can I borrow a hair tie for my spray tan?
Yes. Okay, this is the color.
Is T1 in her room?
She's in the shower. They are getting spray tans. I have never tanned myself, and I just, every time I'm like, you know what? If I try right now, it's not gonna end up well. What time is the first day sorority, do you know?
7.
Okay, so we do need to start getting ready at 5. What do we want in terms of dinner?
5. Kyle can cook while we get ready.
This is literally the greatest idea I've ever heard in my life. Hey, should I buy some ingredients so Kyle can cook for us?
Yeah, what do you want him to make?
What's his specialty? Like, what do you like that he makes?
I like the sweet potato gnocchi with like...
Oh, I am totally down for some sweet potato gnocchi. Okay, so I just finished this whole hand, and let me just say that this looks pretty professional. Let me focus this. Doesn't that just look like I got my nails done? I'll show you the finished look, a little close-up, and we'll be back. I wanted to show you guys my finished nails. This is what they ended up looking like. They turned out really well. I'm like very impressed. Honestly can't see them, but I did them almost the same color. I just got out of the shower and washed my hair. If I shower the same day and then try to curl my hair that night, it just is a frizzy mess. I am going to go watch Friday Night Lights with Taylor right now, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow on the official day. We can get ready together the whole day, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is the day of formal, and I just, spent a relaxing morning in bed. I actually juiced this yesterday so that I could have this in the morning. It's literally celery, ginger, lemon, and an apple. Cheers. It turned a really gross color in the fridge, but I promise actually delicious. Let me get my list. Today is a super busy day, so I basically blocked out every single hour what I have to do. I have a meeting at 11, and then I'm gonna clean the apartment. Then I have to get lunch. I'm gonna shower. I have to go get food from Trader Joe's, and then we're gonna start getting ready at around 4:30. The boys are gonna get here at 6, and we gotta be at the house at 8. I'm gonna finish going through grad photos because I'm really close to being done with them. Oh, also I just wanted to mention that the whole morning I was crying because my friend Emma Romano, her brother was so cute and made her a graduation video that's 3 hours long, and it chronicles Emma's entire life. Yeah, basically I was crying. It was very emotional and really cute, and Emma, I miss you. Okay, let's do this.
I can make you feel so special, and I can make you wanna stay, but I can only write in pencil, so tell me why can't I love you, why can't I stay?
Brendan really wants suspenders, so can we go to Nordstrom Rack while we go to Trader Joe's?
Yes. Right now, it is 3:41. So Katie and I are gonna go run some errands. We have to go get food for tonight and get Brendan suspenders to wear to this endeavor. Dropping Kylie off at her meeting. We just got some work done. It was very productive, and yeah. Problem number 265. There's lots of traffic.
Tired.
Well, I should have gone earlier in the day to get food, and now it's already 4:02, and I wanted to be getting ready at 4:30. This is the traffic situation, Eugene. Basically, you have to merge onto this thing, and it takes forever, but if we can get over one more lane, then we'll be going way faster, and it'll be 10 times better. I probably won't talk to you guys until after I'm... Thank you very much.
It's a really cute shirt. It just, in that, it looks like a picnic table.
It is the gingham pattern. Guess who went in and out of Trader Joe's in literally under 5 minutes? We did. It's currently 4:17. We have to go to Nordstrom Rack if they have suspenders for Brendan. Then we're just gonna skirt home, shower, and we're gonna make this happen.
Look at this parking spot.
Oh, yeah!
We are weaving.
They didn't have it, but we're going home now. Got home 4 minutes behind schedule. I'm gonna get a shower real quick, and then we'll start getting ready. Katie's here, and T1's here, and people are arriving.
I can make you wanna stay, but I can only ride in pencil, so tell me.
This is what I'm wearing. It's from BCBG. Elle's mom made this beautiful like choker thing that I'm gonna pair with it.
Hi, did you see my text?
My face looks crusty.
My face is just like dry today.
Yeah, same. Okay, moisturizing.
Are you having Allie do your
Eyeshadow? Yeah. Allie's the best. We need her to make some magic happen. What? There was a mild water leak. We're okay now.
What shoes are you wearing?
I think black, but maybe nude. The nude ones are more comfortable, so I don't know. But the black is really hard to walk in, but it could be worth it.
Okay, but wear sneakers. Just
I'm
wear
gonna commit. I think I'm right in the middle. I literally am right in the middle. I'm just gonna mix. We're gonna do some chemistry on this episode. Did I tan?
Yeah.
No.
You look tan.
You always tan.
Thank you. All right.
Orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my.
Oh, that's Kylie. Kylie, welcome. We're also having a new roommate move in today. We haven't introduced the new roommate on the vlog, so prepare for some exciting announcements. I'm not gonna include it in this vlog. I'm just gonna let the suspense hang, and you can guess down below who the new roommate is.
I'm gonna move in.
Well, you guys all are eventually gonna move in. We also haven't announced that on the vlog. There's so much to announce.
Yeah, we have.
I don't think we have. Well, if you hear it here first, ladies and gents, Katie Mack is moving in. That is gonna be her wall and my wall.
Kai. It's Kylie.
It's Kylie.
Keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it swabbing like I'm Sade in the 90s. You can clearly see my vibe is tremendous, but you won't see through the tints in my Tesla. I be blocking out the world, it's a mess, yeah. Orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my.
Girls Night Out, feeling sexy playlist?
Yeah, do that.
Perfect.
They ready.
Katie, what did you just pull out? TBT to prom. Guess what I have? To complement your Naked 3, I got Naked 2 and the Smoky. And Taylor has the Heat. So together we have the full collection.
Do we think this one's gonna be better for that dress?
Yeah, I think that's pretty. Bare Minerals, Kai. Kylie loves Bare Minerals. She wants to be sponsored. Bare Minerals.
Kylie.
Please sponsor Kylie. She loves your products. Oh, are you doing T1s now? Yeah. Wait, do you contour? Yeah. Can you contour me? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do my hair then.
Thank God every day for I come up. Somebody trying to slide me. It's all up. It's all up. When I notice I get through it.
My makeup artist just arrived. Her name is Allie Carney. She's fantastic. She just did T1's makeup. And now it's my turn. Prepare for this transformation. Thank you, Allie.
Gotta keep it swabbing like I'm Sade. Do it like it's roulette. Roll it, burn it, lose it. Get that black and red, keep spending.
Katie and I are now ready. This is the makeup. We are all ready for formal. My hair is not looking so hot and it's not gonna last the night, but it's okay. I don't have my shoes on yet because we still have a little bit of time. Katie's date's making us dinner. We're excited. Let's see what people are doing. Oh, no one's in here. Oh, good. I can hairspray my hair. Let's go see what the boys are up to. What's going on in here? Whoa, fancy. We paid you, right? Oh, major fail on camera. We're taking pictures with Katie. She's got to be there early.
Girl, you so hot like summer, and I don't wonder what the lover. You give me feels when you do. No one can do it like you.
wanted to end the vlog tonight because we just got back from formal. It's like 11 o'clock at night.
Good night, vlog.
Good night, vlog. We love
Good night,
you.
vlog.
Good night.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night, every